Hi there everyone. I'm going to show you how to work the Family History Memories app. So if you go onto your phone and you click on your Family History Memories app, it will bring up things like this. And mine already has pictures and memories on it from when my great-grandmother passed away that I added. And so if you want to add a story, a document, a photo, you could even record someone telling you a story. You go and you click that green plus button right here and you click whichever one you want. And say I want to write a story about when I went grocery shopping with my great-grandma to get her groceries. I would say grocery shopping with Gigi, my great-grandma, and then I would type the story, and then I could even go in and add photos at the top. And after you do that, you click the save button right there, and then it automatically saves it and puts it in chronological order for you. So I love this app because it helps me reminisce on when I had my great-grandmother. And if I wanted to make an album of all the memories of just her, I would go to the bottom down here, click albums, and then click that green button. And then I would type in album name, and I'll put Gigi because that's what I called her. And now it's right there. So if I tap it, it says add a memory. I can click that button and I can click add photo. And then it'll take me to my camera roll, and you just add them all from there. And it's a really awesome app to have so that whenever it's filled with all these memories, you can share it with your children and your great-grandchildren. And it's an awesome thing for you to remember all the great things that have happened in your life and to remember the people that have made an impact on you. So yeah, that's how you work it.